Nova is currently the fastest bot you can use to trade meme coins online. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use it and how you can set it up with bullX. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, and most importantly, join Soul Mafia. It's the #1 way you can become a better trader, and it's 100% free for a limited time. Also, download bullX. It's like the Bloomberg terminal that we use to trade, and Nova. It's what we're going to go over in this video, and you need to have those both installed to follow along. So the first thing you're going to do is check out the link in the description below or in any of my videos and click the second link that says Get Nova here. And just click on that link, click Open Telegram, click Start, and now you have Nova. You skipped the waitlist. So then you're going to just click the Continue button to begin. And you have a wallet that's automatically created and a private key. Make sure that no one is able to see this private key. The wallet, other people can see it, but the private key should remain hidden. Then just click go to menu and you've already installed Nova. It's as easy as that. Now we should have Nova installed and you should see this screen. I'm not going to go over every single feature on Nova because it's just like bullX. It would be like a 40-minute video, but I will show you how to link it up to bullX so that you can trade how you normally do, but with a much faster bot and a much better experience. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on wallets right here, and then we're going to click import wallet, put in like main or whatever, and then paste the private key to the wallet that you use to trade. I just used like a fake wallet to show you guys how it looks. So I'll just click enter. And then now you should see wallet successfully imported. Go back to menu, go back to wallets, and then change your default wallet by clicking change on default wallet and then select the wallet that you just added. In this case, I put in main. And then now every single trade that you make will go from your main wallet. So now we're gonna set up Nova using Nova Click, which allows us to use Nova with bullX. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on Nova Click. You're going to right click this link, and then you're going to go to your Chrome and paste it in, and then you'll see Nova Click and click add to Chrome. Now keep in mind, all of the links that I use in this video are in the Discord, so you won't have to deal with having to go all over the place. Just go download my Discord and there's a full guide on how to do all of this. So now you should see Nova Click on your browser. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to click.tradeonnova.io, and we're just going to paste that link and then click connect Telegram. And now it says meet Nova Click. So you can just click on launch Nova Click, click open, and now you have connected this account to Nova Click. Now that we've connected Nova Click, you're going to go to the link in the Discord or just look up uBlock Origin. Then you're going to click the first link that comes up, click add to Chrome, click add extension, and now you should have a third extension called uBlock Origin. This is going to allow us to connect Nova Click to bullX. So you're going to go to like uBlock, you're going to click the settings thing right here, open it up, click my filters, and you should see like a big text box. What you're going to do is once again, go to my Discord, this code is pasted, or like the comments in the description below. Copy and paste this code, click apply changes, and now you can use Nova Click with bullX. It's really important that you do this. Then go back to bullX, go to the extension Nova Click, which looks like this, and then just click on right here. Here you can edit the preset buy amounts and then the quick buy amount. And now every single time you click on a token, you can click on it and you'll see 0.3, 0.5, 1, 3, 5. And then you also have a little purple buy button on each of these tokens, and that responds to the quick buy amount. That's 0.01 right now. If I switch it to 0.5, every single time that I click buy on one of these coins, it'll place an order via the Telegram Nova Click and get a much faster fill than this like native bullX buy button. What we're also going to do is go over the basic settings that Nova gives us. So let's go back to our Telegram, click start, and then go to settings, and you'll see just like bullX, we have fees, slippage, MEV protection, like buy and sell settings, presets, stop losses, all of that. Right now, we're only going to worry about one main thing because we're just using this to snipe, and that is these four right here. There are 3 modes that you can use with Nova. There's Jito, which is like the classic mode. It's a little quicker than bullX, but it's not the fastest. Then you have Node, which is a pretty fast mode, and then you have Ultra, which is like their brand new, even faster than Node processor. So it kind of depends which one you want to use. I leave it on Ultra when I'm trading with small ports. But let's say I'm trading with large amount of SOL. I'm going to leave the buy settings on Jito so that I can turn on MEV protection, and then sell settings on Ultra. And the reason I do that is because you can't turn on MEV protection without using the buy Ultra settings. It just won't work. And if you're kind of confused right here and you don't really know what I'm talking about when I say MEV protection or gas fees or whatever, I have a full video that outlines bullX fees, so go check that out. And then I also have a full tutorial on how to use bullX. So this is kind of like a supercharger to your bullX. Now that you've got this set up, you can just click close. And every single time that you want to buy something, you're going to go to any coin, and then you're going to actually click on these purple buy and sell buttons. You can click switch to sell to go back to swell like 20, 50, or like 100%. You'll see in my live streams, and when I do like live trading, I only use this. It's the best. So yeah, that's pretty much how I would use Nova if I were you. If you want to learn more about the great settings that they have, feel free to click guide. You're going to have a bunch of different options and get into technicals. You have tasks that'll like buy coins automatically if like the name of the coin is like a certain thing that you put in, or if the wallet is like a dev wallet that you track, you can make it auto buy coins. It's super useful. And then another super cool thing is that, as you can see right here, this coin is migrating, and you have the snipe button that you can use to actually buy the coin or sell the coin right after it migrates. So that's how, when this migrates, you'll see most coins either jump up really high or go down really low, like very quickly. It's because they're using Nova. And so you can click snipe right here, and it'll actually place an order to buy the coin right after it comes out, before anyone else, and get your coin in really, really quickly. So you can see like buyer sniper task set up after I click snipe. And right now, obviously, I don't have a wallet and it stopped, but I can actually edit the amount, edit the slippage, take profit, mode, change it between buy and sell, and it'll do like what I want to do manually, but 10 times faster and before anyone else, because it's already prepped. So at the second it migrates, it just instantly executes that order, rather than you having to manually click it and wait for the order to slowly execute when you're using something like bullX. See, if you sniped your wallet right here, all of these orders from 140 to 200 were all sniped, right? And like if I had sniped right here, I would have gotten it around here and already doubled my money, been in and out, done my take profit, and it's great. You really need something like Neo and a combination of Neo and Nova to compete in this market, because other than that, you're not going to get orders filled. You're not going to see like your trades make nearly as much money, and you're going to have a much worse time trading. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way here, I know that you're part of the elites, and we're going to make a shit ton of money together. Once again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on socials, and most importantly, join Soul Mafia. It's the best thing you can do to become a better trader, and we're about to hit 1,000 members. Also, download Nova and bullX. You need them to trade, and like you will actually not make any money if you don't have them installed. So links in the description below. I'll see you guys next time.